Hello guys, welcome back to Raj Codem Gaming. So finally season 4 has started from today. You can see it's a brilliant background. It's really cool. The background is of actually dome map, and I will actually explain all the new things which have come today. I am not gonna actually make any gameplay video. I am actually not going to make any gameplay video from now onwards. Yes, you can tell I can make, but without my voice it will be. Otherwise, the sound reflects too much you have seen in my previous videos. So let's not waste time and get into the video. Okay, so first new battle pass, obviously it's a 33 days, not that big and not that small as well. So if you purchase BP, you will get this Alex character, Razorback epic blueprint, Morte character, then one emote. So these are all the paid stuff, Scarlet Roads and many other blueprints as well. Finally you are getting a Scylla skin. So I'll actually I'll actually explain the free stuffs. So you can get credits, some rare skins by playing, and then 14 tier you are getting the new score streak Hawk X3. It's actually better than the MQ27 Dragonfire which is there in the game presently. That is actually a trash thing. Then MK2 Carbine, the new weapon of season 4, and then nothing is there great in the battle pass. Obviously comic is there, but comic I'm not gonna read that. Watch ads have changed. It has changed after the update came. So it's a new interface. You can see urban tracker telling watch and intel briefing. But this time's character is really bad and I'm not gonna purchase this character. uh, so now the main the you can actually see the new events. Event look section has changed. So in featured you can grind Holger 26, and you are getting a brilliant captain character skin in the seasonal event, as well as a Russian mark skin which came today. This skin looks OP. You have to grind it for many missions are there. Character missions are actually lengthy. You have seen it earlier as well. And new tactical equipment heartbeat sensor has also come. It's also a great tactical equipment. You can actually scan campers in the match. It's really helpful if anyone is camping. And you are also getting this captain character. It will come in later time. And daily login, we are getting a brilliant character, American Bulldog. You have seen this after the update came, obviously. It's a brilliant character in my opinion. I love this character a lot. And Holger 26 in featured events, you can grind it. It will come afterwards, not now. uh, you can actually make this gun a G36C as well. I will make a particular video on that afterwards, yes, when it will come that time. Now the main thing is, now let's see our new rank series. So rank series this time in we are getting an awesome character Seraph in the battle royale. So in multiplayer I haven't played any game after the season started today. Season 2 Charm, Master 3 Kane 44, and a legendary. This time's frame is actually OP, kind of really animated. And in Battle Royale, we are getting another free exclusive melee Ice Axe. I'm really happy about that. I will have to grind by today. Then you are getting a avatar frame. Sorry, an avatar. Sorry a lot. Avatar. OP character Seraph. I think this character is better than the Kruger which was there in the last series. And even the last series, this character is better than many rank reward characters. It's OP, and the legendary frame, legendary calling card. It's actually an epic calling card. If you reach legendary, you will get this calling card. Calling cards are not that great actually. So now the again another main thing I'm gonna show is the new clan section. I was a part of this clan. So there are, you can see clan wars now. If you join a clan, I have left my clan because that clan is kind of useless. They don't do anything. I have to join tomorrow. So you can see clan wars from 1st June, and there is a clan shop as well. So from clan shop you can actually buy a character known as Ronin Hagakure. It will you have to collect shards and you can grind for that character. It will be a lengthy one to get grind for that character. And also let's see the credit store, credit shop. New things such as a baseball bat, new skin has come. So if you haven't grinded baseball bat in any event or something like that, if you are newly playing Codem, then it's for you. Then a 50 GS skin, if you haven't grinded it, it's for you. But the character I've actually purchased it, it's kind of this looking character, really nice character, Vasquez character. Obviously I prefer the season 13 watch ads more because this doesn't look realistic, but still it's OP. Vasquez is my favorite character, actually one of my favorite characters. And the new dome map has come, so you can experience the new dome map. And kind of mailbox is filled, and I collected all of my rewards as well, all the rewards. So, and I got epic crates also, and from epic crates I got the Arctic 50 epics blueprint. Means it was actually it looks like this. Wait, I'm showing. uh, it looks like, yes, this skin. It's kind of animated, kind of glowing eyes. And now the only thing is I will do today is kind of grinding characters, skins, kind of now rank pushing as well. It's series 2 now. And even new things, Rambo, you know, this I have live streamed. Now these are all the free characters on with a glance, and these are all the new stuffs. And this is the theme Spurned and Burned. And the new weapon adjustments, KN44 is buffed, HBR is adjusted, HG40 is buffed, PDW is buffed, and NA45 is adjusted. I am really happy about this one because NA45 is a really toxic weapon. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will actually join a clan tomorrow, a good clan, and then fight for the I will actually gather points for the character. I need that Ronin character. I actually like that character. So stay safe, guys. Be at your home. Don't get out. Bye bye.